welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, I cornrowed my own hair. I ate. The lines are quite straight, so I'm proud. Anyway, welcome to this video. It's probably just gonna be a vlog. Maybe I'm gonna post it, maybe I won't. I do that quite often. I take videos, but if I don't feel like posting them, like I'm not happy with the content, then I don't post it sometimes. So we'll see how this one goes, you know? Yeah. Check that, check that, check that, sex girl, check that. Kiss your brother, 그만 멈춰. 떡이 펴졌던 몸 느껴 my pleasure. It's so yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, tummy, tummy. When I stop it. It is like hours later, and I'm getting ready to leave the house. Guys, my condo's at the back. It's not cute. It's not giving. You go crazy. Ah, go stupid. Ah. Looks like I have the beauty filter on now. See ya. Hi, it's the next morning. I just woke up, so we're about to have load shedding for 4 hours. I know, crazy. I'm gonna go warm last night's food and have that for breakfast because it's about to go now in 15 minutes. Just remember what I say. Why are you so big? You're not a baby anymore. You're a toddler. Guys, I'm babysitting. Hi. Hello. Hello. What an order coming. It is so heavy. But this is all my mom's. And I ordered a bit as well. Nothing hectic, so I'll show you guys what I got. But most of it is hers. I just got like 3 items. This is a workout set that I got. What are you doing? I got manga lashes. I'm sorry. A bra! I got a bra. Oh, this looks big. This is huge. Hi, whoa, these people. I got these pajama looking pants. Woo, I like them. Guys, I also got this bonnet and I didn't have to pay anything, so because it was my mom's card. I just added like a few things that I wanted, like this set. Everything that's being returned is so much. It's literally so much. But my mom was not happy. My mom is too picky. I think she's too picky for Shein. I don't blame her. This was quite low quality, even for Shein. I mean, Shein sometimes can do a good job. We can get good quality sometimes. Like this is actually, I'm impressed. I thought it was gonna be way worse. Guys, I really like my outfit. It's so cute. Like, it's such a cute staying in at home fit, you know? Hi guys, it is load shedding once again. This vlog is obviously super boring because I'm at home and there's just a bunch of load shedding. So I don't know if I'm even gonna post it because what the hell. I'm gonna try on these lashes right now, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm wearing this scarf just for fun. There's no reason. Let me take it off. There we go. We're normal again. They're so low-key. Doesn't even look like I have lashes on right now. I like them. Load shedding just ended and now I'm gonna make dinner. Nothing hectic. Just air frying some meat. And yeah, I don't know what we're gonna have it with. My dinner is ready. It is lamb chops and fries. And they're so nice and crispy. And the meat is so good. So I did amazing. And my mother likes it, so. I'm the driver today.
Remember that last time I made you miss your champagne? Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me.
Guys, I'm making my flaxseed mask. It is simmering and stuff. YouTube, we're back. I was filming for TikTok as well. But look, it feels weird as hell. I think I did it right. Guys, I just put the stuff all over my face and it's already getting hard because it's supposed to harden and then that's when you rinse it off. It looks so scary. It looks, I don't know, it just looks super freaky. Anyway, let's watch some TV. A new episode of Marry My Husband was released, so I'm just watching that quickly. Guys, it is finally tight, but I want to wait a little bit longer because I feel like it's not so tight here on the side. It's just mostly around this area. I washed it off. I like how my face looks right now. It looks so glowy. My skin feels so soft. Like if I could kiss me right now, I'd kiss me. Wow, I'm very happy, Shem. I will keep you updated with the results though. Okay, we want results, so I will let you guys know and stuff in my future vlogs. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you came to the end, I love you. Subscribe.